Righto, I think I'll unbox one of these. They call it an unboxing. Yeah, unbox one of these boxes of batteries. They're extremely well packed. As you can see, once I've unpacked it, anyway, the difference in the size of the box they send you. Spars and things. See them in there. Pretty well done, isn't it? Not mucking about. Can't see them being damaged in transit. Be near on impossible. So what I'm doing is assembling these in 12 volt packs. Obviously 4 to a pack. I've been checking the individual cells now and again, and they're coming up at 3.2. So they're going 12.8 as a pack. Once I've assembled them in these packs, I'll be charging them up. Giving them a good charge right up, and then let them sit for a while in the charger. And all of the packs have got to be charged up flat out, as high as you can get them, or as high as they're allowed to. Which I think on this charger is the 14.7. Jesus. Alright, so we got that in there, that there. Oops, hang on, I'm going to put my whatsy names in there. Done them yet. Now these are going to go in between. I don't know, they're anti-chafe or something, who knows. They recommend it, but they are 5mm around about too big. They stick out these tops and the sides, which interferes with the tape when I tape them up, so they're not getting that. To trim each one down. Right. Right, it holds them in place while I hung the space age sticky tape around it. Quite stretchy stuff, but it should hold them together. Well, it has been when I've been picking them up afterwards. Just give it a bit of a stretch. It's the recommended tape. I'm just seeing it on a YouTube video. I don't know what it's called offhand, but it has a name. And it's just for this purpose, I think. Or maybe it's just for electrical work. They weigh about as much as a normal battery in this configuration. They're easy enough to move around. Right, now, there's the bus bars. Oops, no, there's not. I'll pull these buggers off first. Wires go. There we go. Right. There's no specs that I've seen on how tight to torque these at the moment. I'm just doing them up tight enough to hold them in place, like hold the tabs down, have the bus bars down. I guess they're bus bars. No. Anyway. A few people are wondering how long I've been doing this electronic work. It's been close to a week now. Highly professional. YouTube trained. Now they got some good videos. So these LifePo4 Oz, where I got these batteries from, they have some really good videos on how to assemble them. And shortly I will be hooking up the battery management system, the JKBMS. So these, that connects them all together, all the different cells together, and make sure they're all getting charged and all balanced. And it gives you, via a display, detail about every cell in the pack. So each side of the boat's going to have 16 cells to make up the 48 volt. And they're 230 amp hours, 11 kilowatt battery bank to run the electric outboards. So the electric outboards are 6 kilowatt. They generally recommend an 8 kilowatt battery for it, but because I don't have a lot of solar, I've gone for a bit more storage. That's about it. Now that goes onto the cells. Oh, it goes on the charger one at a time over here. So these have this one here is on charge at the moment. It started off at 12.8. Just sneak it up to 13 now. There's the rest of the cells, all assembled, ready to go. There's 3, 4, 5, 6. Two more to unbox. I've got a 5 amp charger there. That'll bring them right up to full charge before I connect them all up to the battery management system, and then it'll know they're all full. It'll be full as a good. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.